guys, whatever you are, this is your girl Tiny Story here in program Sambaloimba Odimalawi TV. You know, this program is powered by odimalawi.com with help from Duffer Frames, Triple K Independent Records. So today, guys, I bring the good news. I'm with handsome guy here in studio. So today is international. International. A lot of people, they are watching from Malawi, Zimbabwe, and SA, you know, South Africa, Pretoria, Joburg, and there's Durban, Cape Town. Watch out! Today is like a ball. So let's come together. Welcome, my guy.
Nice.
My handsome guy. Today will be my handsome, you know.
No problem.
Yeah, welcome. So how are you, by the way?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good as well.
Thanks for the platform.
Thank you so much. So a lot of people, they're waiting like, Tandy's here. It's like, hey, it's an international. People, they're waiting and they're watching you in different countries. So that they're waiting to know you.
Yeah, it's
So-
a pleasure. It's a pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
So, can we know you more?
The name is 66SA,
Okay.
but originally the name is Nelson Medo Dini.
Okay.
I was born in Pretoria, Mamelodi East.
Okay.
I grew up in Eastern Cape,
Wow.
came back here,
Okay.
chased dreams.
Wow. So which means you have been up and down areas just because, you know.
Yeah, I can say so.
Okay.
Even though I haven't been almost
Exactly.
everywhere in
Exactly.
the city,
So even myself, I didn't hear a proper name, but I will use
Yeah,
66SA. I will use that name. So today, you're with me, Tiny Story, and 666SA. So we need to know more. Okay, can I ask you something like that? I mean, when did you start to sing, and what makes you to start to sing?
To be quite honest, I started a long time ago. I don't even know when I started.
You didn't know?
When I started, because I've been singing. I've been
Like seriously?
Yeah, seriously. From the age of 8, I can say I was also like I was just in love with the music.
Okay, wait. You mean you have been there? I mean, for ages like 18 years?
No, from the age of 8
8.
years, I was already like involved into music.
Exactly.
Yeah, just singing along to
Wow.
Brenda Fassie and the rest of I think the music that was playing on the radio.
Exactly.
Because I was
You
in
start
love
from the
with quite
yes,
of
yeah.
music.
So even now you can sing yourself without
Now-
copying, without singing someone else, something like that.
Now I just took it to another level because now I'm a creative myself. So
Wow.
I do my own stuff. I
Oh my
write my own
gosh.
songs. Shout out to my producer,
Wow.
DJ Stage, shout out the DJs. Those are my guys anyway. So I just wanted to appreciate the platform that you guys gave me.
Thank you so much for that.
Yeah, the rest of the Africa is watching. Hopefully everyone will start to follow, and also make sure you subscribe, comment, and like.
Exactly. Poo, poo, poo. So, without wasting your time, so can you just sing a freestyle so people they can believe that you can sing? You got it. You know, a lot of people they say that you know, South Africa, they are having good voices. They can sing. So please, can you show us so people they can believe you that you can sing?
Okay, let me just drop a verse for you.
Okay.
Siphila namamenemene, sihlala namamenemene, silala namamenemene, ndiyawazi amamenemene, ndiskima amamenemene, imenemene, baduma bevuthela amafundwane imenemene, ngafuna ichiri yami, iheksi yami imenemene, ngahlala ngingasebenzi lajabula imenemene, ndiskima amamenemene, udouble 6 imenemene.
Oh yes. Woo! For respecting these people from Zimbabwe and Malawi, can you just tell us what does it mean in Chichewa, this song, please?
I just basically like talking about people who are backstabbers.
Okay.
Talking about people who don't really like got your back the way that you think
Yes.
they got you.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So
Yes.
it's just about struggle anyway.
Oh my God, you know, this is program whereby we chat with a lot of people and different people from music industry. So I'm Tanya from Malawi. Even myself, I was like, whoa. Okay, thank you so much for the beautiful song, beautiful voice, you know. I was asking myself, a lot of people was like, in South Africa, there is a lot of people who knows to sing and beautiful songs. So now I believe that you can sing.
Thank
And
you very much.
Got a lot of So people, I just want to ask you, what kind song do you sing?
Basically, I'm just gonna say I'm a musician.
Okay.
I don't wanna put myself in a box. And
Yeah,
say
because
maybe
a
I
lot of
do
people
hip
was
hop.
like,
I
let's-
do almost every genre.
every.
Every genre that comes to my mind. It's all about the inspiration at the end of the day.
Are you seriously?
Serious. Even the type of music that I've recorded.
Marawen
then
people.
even the type of music that I've shot with the free films and also Ben Records,
Wow.
Triple K films.
Mm.
It's different genres.
Wow.
So I'm not gonna say I'm doing hip hop, I'm doing gospel, I'm just a musician.
So Malawi people in Zimbabwe, now you can hear yourself that this man, 66SA, they can cure us. Every step they can do it. A lot of people they'll be like, I depend on the gospel. A lot of people will be like, I can do hip hop. But this person, my handsome guy, international boy, will be like, every step I can do it. So that's nice. And I just appreciate you. You got a talent. That's
Thank you very
beautiful.
much.
So we are here. Those who just turning and this channel. This is our program, Audio Malawi TV. This program, we are chatting with a lot of musicians. Those people. Yeah, so we are going to learn something from them and also encouragement they are going to give us. So stay there. Okay, Mr. 66SA. I just want to ask you, how many albums do you have in your music?
To be quite honest, I have just too much music in the vault. I haven't dropped too many music out yet, but I've got just so many singles.
Wow.
And also, you guys should just follow us on Facebook.
Twitter,
Facebook,
Instagram, yes.
YouTube, and also TikTok.
Wow.
66SA because
Wow.
I'm under the label Family Sound, which is FS. I haven't dropped so much music, but I've dropped music with Family Sound, which is also the crew that I'm working with.
Yes.
My sister and my cousins as well.
Wow.
And I've worked with just so many people, man, just from Eastern Cape and also from
So that maybe they can push you.
Yeah, but I haven't dropped so many music. I think more than 50 music in the band. I haven't dropped so much music.
Which means a piano is there. Wow. And a piano.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah, we do have a piano music that we shot with the free films.
Okay.
You can go check it up on my YouTube
Okay.
and also my Facebook. Just search 66SA or 66 Music Update. You can search a song came by Godzina, which is also a piano song as well.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much, guys. You can see if you just go to Facebook, Twitter, and even TikTok, just search 66SA. You're going to see my beautiful, my handsome, will be there, so that you can find his song. So we are going with our program. So tell us, which song did you bring today, so that people they can dance and they can feel up, they can believe that you got a talent. So which song did you bring for us from your albums?
Currently working on my mixtape. I haven't dropped any album.
Okay.
I haven't dropped any project.
Oh yes. Okay.
The project that I'm currently working on now, which I'm busy shooting at Triple K Films, is gonna be a mixtape, not an album.
Okay.
It's coming soon.
Sure.
I'm not
Okay.
sure about the date yet.
Okay, sure.
But I've recorded a song called Tuleman.
All right.
The visuals are out on TikTok. You can just search my name, and
Okay.
also on Facebook, on YouTube.
Mm.
We're gonna drop another one soon, which is called Let's Go, shot by Triple K Films as
Okay.
well.
Okay.
I'm just dropping singles before I drop a mixtape. or
Okay,
project.
which means you got a big plan.
Too much.
Wow.
Too much is coming.
Wow. So I don't know. Just give me one song so that we can put here and people they can sing and dance.
Yeah, the song that you guys can play now, that is gonna be out soon. It's Let's Go.
Let's go.
Triple M
I hope this really matters Africas. Take it to another level, abanayo imali. I've been making music, ndiyababona bayakepa. Boza amabhebeza ndihamba nawe siyokempa. Believe me, I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna keep it on the low. My love for you is real, now you know. Come baby, come, let's go. Believe me, I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna keep it on the low. My love for you is real, now you know. Come baby, come, let's go. You're talking like you love me, right? Music to your ears, on diva. I still wanna treat you like a diva. You're talking like you love me, right? Music to your ears, on diva. I still wanna treat you like a diva. I hope that you believe me, I'm serious. Smoking with my apps, I'm a genius. Hlala namanyorang in a million. Indoda isebenzi nesbillion. I believe in myself, I'm unfeeling. Time wasted, never return. Batalubuya nobuya nbadali return. Angciliskip esicwela ama-cartoon. Bakubize ngepopaya banamesa banabhena banaten. Kunzima unquma ipen. Sithanda ukuya ngithanda ndicwelele bhala njani yami ipen. This one is for my niggas in the shack. This one is for my day one fans. This one is for my day one friends. This one is for my niggas abangaphakathi jail. I'm tryna build the gas ngifuna sidibane nge-mic. You hear it or you like it, I don't do it for the likes. Abonela abaninzi, I don't wanna pay the price. I don't wanna pay the price. Triple M, I hope this really matters Africas. Take it to another level, abanayo imali. I've been making music, ndiyababona bayakepa. Boza amabhebeza ndihamba nawe siyokempa. Believe me, I don't wanna let you go. Believe me, I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna keep it on the low. My love for you is real, now you know. Come baby, come, let's go. Believe me, I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna keep it on the low. My love for you is real, now you know. Come baby, come, let's go.
The biggest song that I just heard here is like the time that we was is never come again, never. You know, there is a big message in this song.
Yeah, too much.
Exactly.
In fact, everything I do, I make sure there's a message.
Now I can believe. I'm South African. I'm not from Malawi.
In fact,
this guy, he clean.
In fact, we are all Africans at the end of the day.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, united we stand.
So please, before we go with this program, can you just explain a little bit? Which message did you bring in this song?
The song is called Let's Go.
Mm-hmm.
The reason it's called Let's Go is because I just wanted to let people know, like, I'm just coming with just too much music.
Seriously?
Yeah, and if you're ready, you wanna ride with me,
yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah, if you're ready, you wanna ride with me, let's go. But the message behind it, man, is just to let people know, like.
But I hear like a nice, the sentence. You say that what goes never come back. What does it mean?
It simply says we just live into present.
Yes, exactly.
So don't live your life based on regrets. Live into your present, because that's the only thing that matters in this life.
If you lose this chance, you never come again.
Yeah.
Oh?
Yeah.
Youth people, are you there? This is handsome Mr. 66 SA. You know, this is a big moment that we cheer with an artist from South Africa internationally, so that you can know that we got a lot of people. We can sing better, and a good voice, and good dancing, and even the instrumental is like you know, my piano was sort of hey. Those people who like my piano, don't forget it. This is a bigger change. So let's celebrate and dance together. So as we go with our program, so Mr. 66 SA. A lot of people, they are watching you. They're also asking their so far. Time is going to say, Mr. Handsome, are you single or married? Be honest. Handsome is here to speak. People, you're supposed to wait.
I'm not single.
You're not single?
Yeah, I'm not single.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I'm not single, I'm not married.
You're not married.
I'm not searching.
Even me, myself, I'll be part of 66 SA. I'm not single, I'm not married, I'm not searching. Wow.
Exactly.
Oh my God. Those who are waiting for the cross, please be gone. Just pack and go. There's no chance. So guys, don't forget, we're here to cheer and to know better and to know information, good information to different artists. So today we are chilling with 66SA, the international person, the international bar, you know, all the way from South Africa, you know, in Pretoria, Mamelodi, yo, Waza. So be there while we are still chatting here so that we can learn more. You know, a lot of people, you are watching us from Malawi, Zimbabwe, and Mozambique. You guys, thank you so much for joining this live, and thank you so much for joining this program, which means we are, after this program, we are going to follow 66SA to his page so that we can support him to make him more followers, so that we can make anyone laugh. So we are still counting this and talking about the music. So I just want to ask you, what inspires you in the music?
Like I said, for me, I was inspired by a lot of people. Brenda Fassie.
Wow.
Just quite Mandoza, and also Utangaje. There's a guy called Utangaje from Eastern Cape, I think.
Yes.
That was the first guy I heard.
Wow.
Like, who was rapping in my language, which is Xhosa. Xhosa.
Okay.
Yeah, that guy inspired me so much. Basically, I'm just inspired by Eastern Cape cats when it comes into hip hop.
Okay.
But when it comes into South Africa as a whole, I was just inspired by quite.
Okay. So are you going to tell me that you sometimes your music you just copy from these people, or you are saying why? Let me just
basically they just inspired me to pick up my pen and paper and start writing music.
Okay.
But I write about what's happening in my life.
Okay. Even myself, you can just see me, then you'll be like, Tandy, let me copy this song for you.
Yeah,
you can do it.
I can just look at you and be like, let me just be romantic and write a romantic song about you.
Oh my God, you'll be like, Tandy, let's go.
You know.
Oh, this is a nice and beautiful and awesome, you know. I thought like maybe just because you indicate these people, which means you copy and paste, but you know, Mr. 66SA, you'll be like, no, I copy myself, I do it myself, and I do it myself 100% without copying, without pasting anything. So this is a nice to the youngest people to have wisdom. As you said before that you are single, married, also you are married, this and that, and you are artist. Let me ask you this. I believe that you are working somewhere. Yes. So tell us, how did you spend? I mean, how did you spend this time to look yourself and look the job that you have and look the music industry? How did you separate these times to have your own music career?
Basically, in this life, it's all about dreaming. If you don't have dreams,
you can't do anything.
If you don't have dreams, you don't have a reason to live.
Okay.
So for me, even music for me is not a side hustle. It's something that I do every time. Even if I'm at work, where I work, I still do music.
So which means it doesn't disturb you?
It doesn't do anything wrong to me. It just inspires me.
Wow.
Even I look sometimes at my situation and start writing music about it, because that's the way I share my problems to people. It's like therapy to me.
Wow. 100% is nice. You know, a lot of people, we got a talent, we got people who sing, but when they look the situation, marriage and the job that they are working and the trend that they have, they'll be like, no, I don't have them. So this is from the word or maybe the encouragement to you people, those who know that you've got a talent, please separate time in good. Yeah, you know, Mr. 66SA, he's like, anytime I can sing, while I'm working, everything is my daily bread, like tea, something like that. So, as you said before, that you got a talent and you got a lot of music in your albums. So, can you just tell us a part of what challenges do you face in the music industry?
What I can say to you now, like to everyone who just wanna be an artist, wanna be a musician, go to school. make sure you go to school.
At least.
Because this is not for soft people, for
Exactly.
people who think just they can just wake up and be famous and stuff. And if
exactly.
you want to be famous, you are in the wrong place.
Okay.
If you want to be a musician, just make sure you go to school, you go to university, you study very hard, you become something besides being a musician.
Exactly.
So for me, challenges that I face are people who are always underestimating
exactly.
each other. For an example, I don't know you, but I can underestimate you
Exactly. Yeah.
for no reason.
Yeah.
And that's what's happening in this industry. And people, especially in PTA, in Pretoria,
Yeah.
people, they can just look at you and think they know you when they don't even know you. And I just love like people who underestimate me, because I love proving people wrong.
Exactly. Yes.
So for me, I'm just gonna say, like, if you want to be an artist, you're gonna face.
A lot of challenges.
Thank you very much.
Wow. So, but you know, even me myself, I was planning to be a musician, but for this, I can. But you know what? This is a big encouragement that if you know that you got a talent, you got a gift for singing and thing, please go to school.
Thank you.
Mr. 66SA is advising you go to school
Okay.
so that you can be better and don't stay one place.
And
Please.
also, music is a plan B, not plan A.
Exactly. Whatever you do.
If you wanna make it in life, music is a plan B, not plan A.
Exactly.
I'm talking from experience. I'm still chasing my dreams.
So a lot of people, maybe they got a question about what you say. You say that, you know, when you want to be a famous or maybe you're an artist, please be educated, go to school. Some people will be like, maybe me, I didn't go to school. Why? But maybe I got a talent, which means I can't go, I can't sing, I can't. Can you just explain for us what does it mean? So maybe people they can do understand you.
Okay, thank you very much. For me, I'm not saying people who are uneducated they must stop doing
Okay,
music.
okay.
I'm just empowering.
Yes,
empowering them
Yes.
to put more effort in
Why?
making music,
Why?
and also understanding the business
Okay.
side of music.
Exactly.
Because there's a business side of music.
Wow.
So you can be an artist. So if you are not educated, how are you going to know in terms of the business side of the music?
Exactly.
Because most of the people who are being rocked in this music game are people who don't check their contract, are people who don't make their research. And I'm just saying, even if you're educated, people they make mistakes, they don't do their research, but they are still chasing the dream.
Yeah.
But if you make your research, for me, I'm just proud because I haven't made it yet. I'm still in underground, I'm still fighting.
And
to
you are
be
still
someone.
learning more.
Yeah, I'm still learning more because I feel like if I made it maybe 10 years back, now I would be maybe famous and broke.
Wow.
That's how I feel. So to people who are uneducated but still making music, this is the message for you guys. I'm not saying you must stop making music. I'm just simply saying, guys, music is hard, especially the business side of it.
Exactly.
I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. So music is hard. If you wanna make it in this music industry, and if you wanna be famous and not broke, make sure you make your research.
Exactly.
And to educated people as well, not only uneducated people. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly. Now I do understand.
Yeah, that's just what I wanted to say.
Yes, you know, there's a lot of people be like, who's like, this guy was like, if I'm not educated, which means I can sing. No, you can sing, but you're supposed to watch your steps before you do something good. In short, we can say that sometimes people they can use you just because they don't know how to understand
because
it.
if you're uneducated or if you haven't done your research, how are you going to know your mechanical rights?
Exactly.
How are you going to know the mechanical rights?
Exactly.
How are you going to know the split sheet?
Oh yes.
How are you going to know the music business? Because at the end of the day, you can be a nice singer, but you need someone to guide you.
In short, you can be a singer but broke. You see? You can have a lot of albums but you be a broke. So please.
You can have 1 million views and still broke.
just because you don't know how to operate
it. In the street and think you're the man or you made it.
Yet you got 100,000.
People, they commit suicide because they are broke. They are famous and
exactly, broke. So we need to focus on that, and we need to be 100% sure on that, please, guys. This is a special.
And this goes to all my fellow Africans. This goes to all my fellow Africans, because I know, to be quite honest, African people are just so good when it comes to music.
Exactly, yeah.
Sorry to Western people from America, London and stuff, but Africans, when it comes to music, music was created here. Music started here.
Yes, exactly.
The melodies and stuff, everything started here, traditional wise, we all know it. They just took it and ran with it because they run the media and stuff, but the music, it comes from Africa. So we can, all of us in Africa, we can all do the music.
Wow.
Even if you are not good, but you can still play guitar, you can still play, you know what I'm saying, keyboard and stuff. So we can all be involved in music. Even people now, you can be a fan, but you want to be me.
Exactly.
You want to do music.
A lot of people, we are sing like, I don't know.
We don't have, all of us don't have to be musicians.
Exactly.
You can listen to my music and be a fan.
Some of us, we need to be sure.
This is a lesson, guys. Not all of us have to be musicians.
No. Some of us, we just need to listen from others.
Yeah, because I feel like that's where the problem started. People, they feel like because maybe they listen to people,
so then maybe they can do it easily.
Them.
Exactly.
And that's not the problem. If you feel so, you can do so.
Yeah.
But don't let the truth not show you, or don't let the people not tell you the truth.
Yeah, exactly.
Because
but you're supposed to first, you're supposed to know the truth before.
They don't know how to take a criticism.
Exactly.
A constructive criticism.
Exactly.
Because some people, they can be constructive. They can be constructive to you when they are telling you the truth.
Wow.
But you will take it personal. No, these guys, they don't want me. They are hating me.
But
they are telling you the truth. Like, don't do this shit.
Yeah.
This is not for cry babies.
No. For us, we know how to sing. It's for us. You know, the only thing that makes me happy is like Mr. 66SA. He knows better. You know, sometimes it's not good to starting singing yet you don't know the background. This is a history, and he was like, the music start from here. So a lot of people you don't know. You think like maybe music we are copying from America, this and that. No. But it's from Africa.
This whole thing started here in Africa.
You see, so this is the best
lesson
to you guys.
Just bringing it back here.
You see,
it's been here.
It's our
the media. We're just trying to.
We do it ourselves.
The Africa that
you see.
This thing is from here.
But even now, this is I think a good idea that you come and
talk
because people they don't know.
How many genres we have created here in Africa?
A lot of.
How many genres they don't know?
Some people they don't know.
They don't know Maskandi.
Never.
They just know about the piano now.
Piano.
There's boom from Durban.
Wow. You know. Oh yeah.
There's boom from Durban. There's 5-step. They don't know 5-step.
They don't know.
We're just creating music here now.
Imagine.
They are still stuck on R&B, hip hop.
You see.
How many genres have we created? There's Afrobeat.
But people they can't use that well. The people they don't know how to use it. They just participate only one.
So we've been creating music.
Yeah.
Africa has been leading when it comes to music.
But I'm happy just because I have used a lot of people, a lot of artists. They have learned something new from you.
Thank you.
Yeah,
it's a pleasure.
Even from Malawi, that we got maybe a chances to chill with them. They'll be like, this program is nice and wow, I like it, because they learn something from you. And thank you so much for that. We are still chatting with the 66SA from all the way from Cape Town, but here in Pretoria. So as time goes up, so we need to have a little time so that maybe we can also leave this race for another people. So we are continuing. Let me ask you. Let me just ask you to help these people, those who are watching you. Don't forget this program. you are everywhere, more especially in Malawi. They'll be like, yeah, Triple K, this is a nice program. And even Zimbabwe and Mozambique. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this program and choosing this program. May God bless you. So, yeah, continue. Can you give these people encouragement? Because a lot of people, they don't know, as you explained already, that, you know, some people, they just stand in starting music without knowing that we are going where, without knowing how to write maybe music, without just encouraging so that maybe they can so expand from you.
Guys, let's just do it for the love of it, not for the love of money. Just for the love of it.
Amen.
Money will follow. If there's a talent, money will follow.
Exactly.
So don't chase money, because I see people now in nowadays, someone can just make 2 beats and start charging. I'm charging 400 for a beat.
Imagine.
But you don't have even a single song on the radio. There's just too much that's happening that I feel like, no, people, they need to be told. Especially up-and-coming artists. Even us, people, I'm an up-and-coming artist as well. That's one of the things that I face on my daily basis.
Yeah.
So to the guys who are doing music, if you are doing it, do it for the love of music.
Exactly.
The money will follow, everything will follow. Because I see now the rappers, someone will have just maybe 2K views. He wants to be paid for a feature now. And then when you are telling him I will give you 50 rand is a problem. But to be quite honest, you deserve a 50 rand.
Exactly, exactly.
I'm not saying rappers or artists should be paid that amount of money. I'm just saying, guys, let's stop chasing money. Let's start focusing on creating music.
Amen.
And also bridging gaps.
Exactly.
Make sure you work with someone. If you are from South Africa, make music with someone from Malawi. If you're from Malawi, make music with someone from Zimbabwe.
Exactly.
We are bridging the gap.
Wow. This is a nice speech. Wow, I like it. You know, guys, those who know that you got this career, you sing, you got
and for
everything.
free, don't charge money. Why are you
Please.
charging money for if you only have maybe 2K views?
For Malawians, come, let's talk
you
here.
are charging money for what?
Imagine.
Are you getting booked somewhere?
Yet the person doesn't have the album, it just only have maybe only 2 songs.
My sister, in this game,
Or be like 1,000.
You must learn to be humble.
So now we almost end this program. So before I finish this program, can you tell us how did you manage to push your song so that?
To be quite honest, I'm not gonna say my song maybe is doing very well. Or my song is not doing very well.
Yeah, but how did you manage to push it?
I'm still pushing it.
Okay, but how?
By making sure that there are challenges that we are doing on TikTok, for an example.
Yes, exactly.
Now I'm busy shooting a music video promo for the song that I'm going to be dropping before I drop the official music video.
Okay, sure.
So I'm about to drop it.
Wow.
I've already dropped the promo. Also go check out my YouTube, 66SA. You're gonna see there's a promo music video there for Juliman.
Okay.
Before we drop an official, we're dropping promos first. That's how I'm managing to try and push it going forward.
Okay. Thank you so much. For the last question, maybe can you just tell us how, if somebody want to help you, maybe to give you support, maybe they need you to give maybe them some afros, this and that. How did they can find you?
Okay, basically just go to you can go to my YouTube and comment then subscribe, and you can also, when you are commenting, leave a message there.
Wow, okay.
Write it there.
Okay.
What you want from me.
Okay.
Or how you gonna help me.
Okay.
Also follow me on TikTok. Go on Facebook also there. Inbox.
Okay.
If you wanna book me,
Wow.
you can inbox there.
Wow.
I'm not gonna tell you how much I'm charging.
No.
We can negotiate it there.
No worries. We can do it. So, last wait to maybe you got maybe last way to say to for Malawians, South Africa, and Zimbabwe, Mozambique, whatever they are watching for you. Can you just tell them one last wait before you go?
Yeah, if you can take a compliment, you must be able to take a constructive criticism. That's what I'm gonna say to them.
Excellent. So, guys, today having a good moment, a good time that I was chilling with the 66SA all the way from South Africa, international. So this is your channel. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share on ODIMalawi.com. I really appreciate for your time.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh my guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
And I think next time we're gonna have also this time around to cheer and to have some areas so that people
after I drop my mixtape,
you're going to come again. Wow! I'll be waiting for that. Even you're gonna wait for that. So people, it's your Tandi story here in ODIMalawi TV. Now even me myself, my time is up, so I need to say bye bye. But don't forget to subscribe, like, comment on ODIMalawi TV. Bye bye and see you. I love you.